Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn your TikTok account to private. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn your TikTok account to private, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your TikTok. And after opening your TikTok, next, I want you to go to your profile. And here on your profile, you will be able to see these three horizontal lines or the menu button at the top right corner. Just go and tap it. And after tapping it, I want you to go to Settings and Privacy. And once you're on Settings, you will then be able to see the privacy option, which is where you can turn your account to private, so just go and tap it. And after that, there it is guys, you will now see the private account option right here, so just turn it on to completely turn your TikTok account to private. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your TikTok account will now be private. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.